Okay.
Can you hear how on the lake read about two children who have for a sack?
Who hunt for?
What's that sound?
Hmm.
Now, what's that sound?
Hmm.
Tap, tap, tap. Rough, a tap, tap, tap. What's that sound? Asked
Gilbert
Gilbert. It's scared.
started.
Started early. This morning, I thought it
I
might stop, but it
hasn't.
hasn't. Let's check out the garage.
Garage.
Said
Or
all.
mortar.
Motor,
Okay.
I think that is making the sound. Vang, vang, vang. Vang, 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 vang.
Zing, zing, zing.
Zing, zing, zing.
No.
Zing, zing, zing.
Now read.
That was in the garage hitting,
No. Cut.
cutting
Cutting.
a ball with a saw.
Hmm.
Zang, zang, zang. This is not the sound, said
Gilbert.
This sound is
Smoother.
river.
No. Teddy.
Page 200.
Teddy, read.
Page. Let's find Rams says
Marta.
Marta, might be making the sound. They quickly run to the back of the house to find Grab. Grab was sweeping the deck with a room. Fish. No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. The sound is much slower. Let's find out if that said
Marta.
Marta she's making the sound. They find on
Anna.
in the red
Driveway.
driveway and was because being
Bouncing a ball.
bouncing a ball. Brum, brum, brum.
Bam.
Bum, bum, bum. No, goodbye. We'll see you next time.
Not yet.
No, this is not the sound. Say, Gilbert. This sound is boom. This sound
Hopeless.
Tap, tap, tap. Tap. There it is again, said Gilbert. He looked up at the taxi.
Suddenly, yes.
He shouted. Shouted. Oh, what is?
Wow.
It's a bird. Look at the
Color.
color on his head. Cried
Marta.
It's red like a red
Crown.
The bird up,
Scrumped.
ramped up and down. The tree tap, 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 rub, tap, tap. It's working pretty for bugs that deal with yes, same matter and nothing. It sounds like it. Tap, tap, tap. Rub, tap, tap. Make connections. How can the sound already unique?
Okay. Comprehension.
Comprehension. Lots,
Problem and solution.
lots of
Problem and solution.
problem and solution.
Hmm.
A problem is something characters want to do, change, or find out the way the
Pollution.
pollution is safe.
Solved.
So is a selection find
Solution.
takes and find the pollution
Problem that
that the story characters need to solve.
so yes.
Page 182.
No, not that way.
182. That is the
Now continue.
number 182.
Okay.
Tap, 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 tap.
Now read the problem and solution.
No. Tap, tap, tap. Rock, tap, tap.
Mm-hmm.
What's that sound? Asked Gilbert and say early.
It started.
It started early. This morning I thought it might stop, but
It hasn't.
it hasn't. Let's check out the games, said Martha.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that is making the sound.
Mm.
Read together.
Problem.
Problem. Let's to solution. Solution.
Now read the problem.
Go. Ja. Go.
No. You read the problem first. Gilbert.
Gilbert and Martha had
Here.
a new sound. Step 2 solution.
Check if
Check if Dad is making the sound. Check if Grams is making the sound. Check if
Anna.
Anna is making the sound.
Solution.
Solution. Grams and
No, Gilbert and Martha.
Gilbert and Martha
Discovered that.
discovered that the sound is the
Woodpecker.
woodpecker tipping
No, not tip, but
tapping
yes,
on the tree.
on a tree.
Not to tell about the pollution and
Problem and solution.
popular solution in. Now, what's that sound? Goodbye, everyone. See you next
Not
time.
yet. Writing and grammar.
Writing and grammar readers to writers. Read together.
Sentence fluency.
Sentence fluency.
Howard.
Howard complete.
Howard wrote
Howard will complete
sentences.
to
Express.
express his opinion.
Yes.
How review. How letter review.
No. Howard's review.
Howard's review. This story is about a sound as funny birds and the birds
Very.
very loud.
Yes.
The story has an ending that will stop you.
Surprise.
Surprise you. I like it. Now to tell why the sentence and how review.
Howard's review.
Howard's review. or complete what you write. Will write opinion about.
No.
After our sentence, use this and that.
Okay, good.
Use this and that to tell which one use this and that before
Mm-hmm. Yes.
notes. That story will keep
Consonant.
consonant use before nouns. That story will
Vowel.
vowel divide.
Vowel. Okay.
This story is about a sound.
Mm-hmm.
Your turn. Find and that and how words matching which word came before a noun. That story will divide write the new sentence. Use one of the words.
Okay.